Dear students, today we will study to insert a picture in a document. It is a document that we already prepared in the previous class. Here we want to insert a picture. Certain pictures are stored in our computer. Identify the picture we need to insert or to use in our page. Then first of all, click on insert button and then select image. Okay, then you may be saved a lot of pictures in the pictures folder. From the pictures folder you can select any picture and then click open. Then that particular picture will be opened in our document. Here we can see the size is too big. So we can reduce the size by clicking here. We can increase or decrease the size of this image. And also we can move the picture and we can place wherever we need. Okay, these are the steps for inserting a picture to a document. Another way is there is a tool. We can see there is a tool, insert image. This tool also can use for inserting a picture. Just click here. That also direct to a file in our computer, and we can select any particular picture from the list and then click OK. Click open. Okay. These are the ways for inserting a picture. Okay, now we can see some shortcut keys. That is, some activities we can done by using keyboard only. For copying, just press and hold the control key and then press C. Then that particular text will be copied. Okay. Then for cut, what is the shortcut key for cut? Control plus X. That is, for cut a particular text, press and hold the control key and then press X. Then to paste the matter that has been cut or copied, that is, for paste we can use the shortcut key Control plus V. To save, Control plus S. And to find a word in the text, we can use the shortcut key Control plus F. Then to make the text bold, we can use the shortcut key Control plus B. Okay. We can practice these things in the document. That is, here just click on edit button. We can see the shortcut keys. For cut, Control plus X. For copy, Control plus C. Paste, Control plus V. And then for find a particular word, Control plus F. These are the shortcut keys. Then, do you know how to output the document that we created? We already created a document. Next, we will study how to output that particular document. There are mainly three ways to output the text. While working with the text, we can see the display on the monitor. Therefore, the monitor is an output device. Here we can see the picture of a monitor. It is an output device. Next, if we print this file, it is also an output. So printer is a device to output our data. While preparing a printout, this printer is also a output device. Next is speaker. There is a software we insert that particular text, that also we can hear by using this speaker. So speaker is also a output device. Do you understand? Dear students, now we are going to hear the sound or hear the text that we already entered. For machine reading, we will use a software GeoSpeaker. For that, click applications and then sound and video, select
Welcome in
GSpeaker. Okay, here we can insert text to play. Here we can enter the text that we want to play. We already prepare a document here. No, I am going to copy this particular text and then pasted here. Now we can play the particular text.
Taj Mahal is considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world.
Okay. What form of output is received from the text now? It's a sound. We can receive the, or it convert the text as sound. Okay. Through the speaker we can hear the particular sound. Here also we can change male, female, and pitch also we can change, and volume. These things and all we can change. Okay, while playing female.
Is considered as one of the 7 wonders of the world.
Okay. Do you understand today's class? Practice all these things from the home, and then